In this video, we will be learning more about cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process in which cells in plants and animals use nutrients in order to generate energy or ATP. This process has three steps: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and etc. Today, we will be focused on the first phase, that is glycolysis. Glycolysis is divided in two phases, and the main purpose is to break glucose into energy or ATP. The two phases are break down glucose and produce ATP.
There are 5 steps in phase 1. The first one is when glucose is converted into G6P. In reaction 2, G6P is converted into fructose 6-phosphate. In the third reaction, fructose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 1,6-biphosphate. And in reaction 4, this creates an unstable molecule that will split into 3 carbon molecules, and it will produce DHEP and G3P. And finally, in reaction 5, the DHEP is converted into a second molecule of G3P, and then both molecules of G3P enter the second stage of glycolysis, which is the payout phase.
In the second phase, the phase where energy is produced, we will use the G3P found in phase 1. We will break it down into 1 or 3 biphosphates, and the result of this is that the NADP plus the hydrogen from G3P will give us a molecule of NADPH. Now we break the biphosphates into 3PG. This molecule of hydrogen broken will be added to ADP and generate a molecule of ATP. After that, we break 3PG into 2PG, and this will give us once again a molecule of hydrogen that will be added to NADP in order to get a new molecule of NADPH. Finally, we get 2PG and we break it into a pyruvate, and this will give us one more molecule of ATP.
So this will be the final step of the entire thing. So for the final step, we need to wrap up everything that we already have, and the question will be in this way. So first we have the glucose plus 2 ADP plus 2 inorganic phosphate plus 2 NADP, and that will be equal to 2 pyruvate plus 2 ATP plus 2 NADPH. So this will be the entire process of the breakdown. And also this will allow us to have the energy. So this is the first phase of the cellular respiration.